Hello and welcome to my trading journal. I remember we left off yesterday. We were taking a look at BYND. You can see where these triangles show where I bought or where I sold, depending on the color of them. I bought down here at this support level, and the 50 moving average on the 5-minute was lining up. I thought I was going to get stopped out, but while we were filming this video, it ended up mitigating me and then took me out for my 3 times risk, and then I got taken out for the rest of my shares up here. I actually traded again today. So I'm going to go over all my trades, win or lose, no matter what happened. And today we took a few losses. We took about 5 losses. So let's just go over them real quick. So for this, we traded BYND again. I ended up trading the 50 Fibonacci retracement level, and it was just in and out. And that's all we took on that trade today. A ticker. AMD. Oh, this was this type of candle. I really liked the type of candle that was forming, and it had bounced enough on the chart to make me feel comfortable to get in. So I ended up shorting and stop over this candle. Now, usually I would re-enter when we see this type of candle again, just because I realized that for this type of candle I have a 57.1 win rate percentage with a 1.86 profit factor. And as you can see, it rolled over nicely after forming this type of candle, and that's something that I realized the potential for here, so that's why I did it. Next trade was BA, so Boeing. Yep, similar thing here. It wasn't the candle type, but it was the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So we got in here where this triangle is, the red triangle, and then stopped out once it broke over the highs of this little consolidation. That's where my stop loss ended up being for a full loss. But hey, as you can see, yeah, it sucks to get stopped out, but at least I wasn't just still in here praying and hoping for it to come back to me, and as you can see, it never did. We already showed you BYND. Next trade's going to be CWH. And before I show you this trade, if you don't mind smashing that like button and subscribing for the YouTube algorithm, I really appreciate it if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. CWH. This was not a Fibonacci pullback. This actually was just trading the pullback, pulled back enough to where I felt comfortable with this type of candle forming and just setting my stop loss under it, thinking that it might roll back, or I shouldn't say roll back up, but go back up more. This was just a small pullback and ended up giving somewhat of a bounce, but never really caught any more traction to continue higher. So 4 full losses. I was still in DAL, and that's why I ended up taking 5 losses. And after 4, I can't get in any more trades, so I was already in the 5th trade, so no problem here. I realized statistically that one trade has nothing to do with the last trade. So for DAL, had this nice strong push upwards, and then it pulled back and made this nice indecision candle. I ended up, let me try to take these triangles off, make them dashes so you can see a little better. Alright, so you can see with the blue dash, this is where I got filled, just thinking that it had the potential to climb higher like it's trying to right now. And I set my stop loss under that where this red dash is, and ended up rolling over and stopping me out, but then continuing upwards. And like I said, usually I re-enter, but 4 full losses, now we're at 5 full losses. That's going to be it for the day. We're going to close it down, and we're going to start fresh tomorrow. And who knows, I could have a trade like I did yesterday on Tesla that's just absolute home run. So, like I said, please like the video, please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching.